good? Welcome to the Harmon Crew. If you don't already know, my name is Kendra. If this is your first time to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that way you won't miss a thing. I'm back with another video. If you haven't seen my last video, I said I was going to make a DIY curtain canvas. This is Zariah. Say hey.
Hi.
Alright, so I'm going to do this on the floor. I've never done this before. I'm just basically trying to remember the steps from the DIY channel that I saw. And I thought it was really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. The things I have with me are the wood pieces to make the frame. I have the wood stapler, and we have some glitter and some Mod Podge puzzle glue for the glitter. This is the shower curtain that I really want to make the canvas with, but when I bought the wood pieces to make the frame, it turns out that it's not as big as I want it to be. I'm just gonna do a test run with this one, so you guys are gonna be doing this along with me. See how this turns out. So this is an old shower curtain that I have, and I think I like the print. I'm not sure where I would put it on my wall, but I'll find somewhere to put it.
You bought it.
I bought it. Yeah, I know, but it's old and we don't use it, so. Okay, so the first step, it says to iron out the wrinkles. It doesn't really have that many wrinkles in it, but let's see. Straighten it out a little bit.
Can I do the wrinkles? Can I put the thing?
Well, while that's warming up, let's look at these directions. Let's see how we're supposed to do this, because I don't know, y'all. This might, I don't know how this is going to turn out. We gonna see. Alright, so I got those.
Look, these look kind of, if you like do like this, it looks like one of those things.
This is supposed to be, this is called the canvas stretching system.
The canvas stretching system?
Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
These wood pieces is set up to make a canvas, basically.
So
it says an easier way to stretch and frame your digital prints. Okay, so number 1, put your canvas on a flat surface with the picture side down. Lay your 4 stretcher bars on the canvas and make marks. But let's iron it out a little bit. Decided I don't know, I'm kind of disappointed that it wasn't as big as I thought it was. I should have really paid attention to the measurements. I thought 16 by 20 would be pretty big, but obviously it's not. Like, this is how tall it would be. I wanted it to be really, really big to go on
they got the perfect size
the wall in my kitchen where my kitchen table sits. I'll show you all that in a minute.
And also
and it's a pretty big wall. I have a little painting on it right now. I just want it to be, I want a bigger painting. And pretty much the painting that's on the wall now is about the size of what this is going to be.
I need the staples.
So.
Check the staples.
Oh well.
Perfect.
So let's just see how this is going to turn out. Alright, so let's turn it over.
How are you turning
Put the picture side down, it said. So I got it laid out. Let's see what this gonna do. Let's see what this is gonna do. I'm gonna have to run this section.
I'm back with the scissors.
Okay, thank you.
I got purple scissors.
Okay, that works.
We don't have.
So how do we put this down?
Just like maybe just do this.
All right, so put it down like this, like the picture. No, it goes down this way.
Okay.
Bless you.
So I say bless me, and then you say bless you.
I was gonna say bless you anyway. Look at this. This is so little.
Or this.
I know, but I want it to be big.
Is that right? Oh yeah, it looks like kind of good. Good job, Mommy. Good job. Okay, good thing this part is not stupid. This is.
Do it like that. So it say cut it like this. I guess that's to make.
This thing is so big. This triangle is
Can y'all
so
see?
big.
Can y'all see? Can y'all see us? Okay. Probably should have did this live, huh? So y'all can tell me if y'all can see what's going on.
Well,
Alright. Number 5. Alright, fold up the bars and insert the wood staples.
staples.
What? Fold up the bars and insert the wood staples into the pre-cut grooves in each corner. Peel off the white strips.
White?
Okay, so we gotta do this. Oh, look how it made it look nice. Look, we did it right.
Oh.
Okay, good job, right? We know what we doing.
Oh, I thought we got it wrong till we do this.
So we need the staples.
Staples. Oh,
Oh,
I found it.
it's in here, not that one. I might need the hammer.
It's this,
See?
the stapler.
So this came with.
We don't take those off?
Yeah.
Oh, we do.
Because there's 4 corners. So, hold on. Oh, okay. See the holes? You should be able to just push it down. And it holds it like that.
Okay. So, where's these?
You gotta flip it up. That's one. Flip it up. This might be easy after all.
Oh, it's fun after all.
It is fun.
I wish I could make my own candy.
Yeah, we can. We just have to pick out a shower curtain that you like.
Pink.
They got rainbow shower curtains
I want
and unicorn shower curtains. All your favorite designs, they got it.
I'm a unicorn.
All right, so now we peel the white strip off. You want to pick the unicorn? Yeah, we can find you. We gotta find the bigger wood frames because this is small. I gotta find a bigger one. Full line. Oh, I'm sorry. You want to do that one?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so now
We fold them.
make it nice and tight.
To be like iron it, so it can be nice and tight.
This is so nice. Look, and it pulled it nice and tight too.
Okay, it's perfect. Let me do this part. Okay,
It's tight.
you do that side to make it. It's coming out so good.
How does it look?
Hold on, let's like flip the whole thing upside down.
Hold on, we're not done yet. We gotta put these in there.
Well, we have to put these on.
There you go.
Right there.
So it goes on the corners. It's too big.
Let me see that one. Okay.
Forget it. Let's use this.
What the?
pull it tight.
That looks like a gun.
Oh, look. Wow.
It's pretty.
Ooh.
We got it out good. But I don't know what the pen thing was for.
How do you load this thing?
Don't step on your fingers now. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Ow.
If you staple your fingers.
Clap, clap, clap. Hurt my finger.
I was about to say.
Don't match anything in the house.
No, it does not. Can I take that canvas off? Can I take that canvas off right now?
What? Alright, y'all. Let's see who's with point up. With point up? Pull back and drop in staples with point up. That's terrible. I don't know how to load a staple. I don't know how to load one of these. I know how to load one of the old school ones.
Why don't you know how to load it in
What am I doing wrong? Oh, stupid. Stupid. It's supposed to go like that, Zariah. Duh.
Mommy,
Sorry. I'm just playing.
Mommy, do we
Now.
not need this?
Are you ready?
We don't need this.
No, it's trash. I don't even need to do all that. I'm being extra. I just want to see how it works. I'm scared. Y'all see me? I'm scared.
I'm
I'm scared.
Be brave. What are you
Oh,
doing?
I'm scared.
Be brave.
Oh!
That made
That's
me
serious.
That made me jump.
We don't need to put nothing in there because it has the adhesive on it. But
That-
it looks good, y'all. Look, and imagine if it had the glitter on there to make it shine and glisten.
Can we put the glitter on this?
I don't think gold would look right on it. I think silver would look better.
Silver? You didn't get any silver.
No, because I got gold to match my. All right. So now that we have an idea on how to do it, it's pretty simple.
And this thing scared me.
Yeah,
so-
that's so cool.
No.
Another one.
That was scary. That's scary.
See, this is something you don't play with, Zariah. You hear me? Because this will go in your skin real easy.
Mommy, you're so scared of that.
Staple your lips.
No.
Hard.
So loud.
Cool. All right, let me go get the other candy so we can put the one that I really like on the wall.
Well, that was
Be right
scary.
back. Okay, y'all. So see, this is the wall it's gonna go on, and you see how big that painting is, right there. Like I said, it's a pretty big wall. I want a big old painting, a big old pretty blue painting. My color scheme in my kitchen is gonna be blue, gold, black, and white. And I just felt like this would be. This is my first time opening it, so hopefully it will look as pretty as the picture. I ordered this from Amazon. So it came with little curtain rings. So I got to unplug everything. Yeah, she ready, she ready, she ready. Get this out the way. Get this out the way. Alright. Ooh, this is gonna be so pretty. Especially when I put like I put the gold glitter on it. It's gonna bring out that gold really nicely. Oh shit! Almost burned it. Oh, it's getting too hot. Maybe it's the steam. No. Alright, let's put this up. I'm gonna have to move this out the way. This thing is huge. Alright, let me get it. This how big I want it. This how big I want it. See, it's gonna look real nice. So this picture, my husband got this from one of his old jobs. He was giving it away, but it doesn't go with anything in our living room. So when I saw this DIY project, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's perfect. It allows you to refurbish any ugly pans that you got in your house, or that you may have gotten, or maybe it don't go with your decor anymore and you want to change it. Do this. Get a shower curtain and cover it. All right. The moment we've all been waiting for. Uh-oh. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look, Soraya. Wow. Some glitter on it, y'all. That's gonna be the icing on the cake. Alright, hold up. Some gold glitter. This glue. Hold on, I need a brush. Okay, should I do a lot of glitter or a little bit of glitter?
I want to do the glitter part. I want to do the glitter part.
No, ma'am. Last
part.
time you played with glitter, it was all over the place.
I want to do the glitter part.
Oh, ma'am.
Mommy.
Where should I put some glitter? I don't know. How about we put some here?
Can I paint the thing then?
I think I'm done. That's it.
That's it for
Alright, so
today.
I'm gonna let it sit and let it dry like that. And then I'll pour the excess glitter off and then we'll see what the end results look like.